Hello, this is Miles Betcher bringing you today's breakdown for the pear, which is an amazing fruit. We want to make sure we understand a little bit more of the research that goes into the pear, what we've found out about it, why it's available to you in cans and in jars, and it sometimes is very important because we can't always get them fresh. Getting them fresh at times, you get a small batch or a big batch, and you really have to, get them prepared quick so that everybody can eat them, because sometimes they're bad quick. They're one of those fruits, as well as sometimes vegetables, that kind of doesn't hold very well in transportation, doesn't get picked on time a lot of times. So if you can get them really local, and then that's great. Enjoy them. But if you have to get them brought over to you from a distance, sometimes it's more important to get them canned or jarred. And you're still going to get the sticky fiber, the biggest piece of the nutrition involved in a pear, which is the fiber, that both insoluble or roughage fiber and also soluble or sticky fiber. That sticky fiber in the breakdown of pear allows your digestive system to flourish in good bacteria. So in the research in the breakdown is showing that not only are there anti-inflammatory properties of a pear, not only are there valuable nutrients and vitamins and other elements for you, but one of the largest pieces of that is the actual pear itself has fiber. Dietary fiber is needed each meal, 3 meals a day, in order for you to digest your protein properly, in order for you to digest your nutrition slowly and efficiently. You want to have fiber. And pear is an excellent source of fiber. Fruits, vegetables, grains, beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds all have fiber. So everything that grows off the ground and in the trees, we want to have that with each meal, because that's going to provide the fiber, especially the sticky fiber. And that's the part in which it creates that soluble gel, and it makes everything go and digest slowly. We don't get a big boost of sugars because it's digesting too fast. It actually digests slowly and appropriately to passage through the system. So that's part of the breakdown of a pear. They're amazing fruits. If you can get them local, great. If you can't, just make sure you have some on hand, because each week you'll want to have a serving or two throughout the week of your pear, because it's going to provide you with that dietary fiber that enhances your healthy gut bacteria. Your gut is everything. It makes you digest your proteins properly. It makes you eliminate the toxins properly. Again, the soluble or sticky fiber they talk about in oatmeal is the soluble fiber. It's also found in pears, and that helps cleanse yourself of cholesterols in your system, the bad ones that we don't want much of. So sticky fiber is right there in the pear. Enjoy them. If you have more questions, or if you'd like any more info, of course, go to Mind Muscle Memory, and you can go ahead and find out more about it. We did a feature article on the pear last month, and we look forward to talking with you real soon. Thank you so much.